You only need one YouTube view a day to go full-time starting today on YouTube. That's because if you can then have a business system where you sell one call a day to somebody for $99 and or weekly coaching for $300, you will then be making $3,000 to $9,000 a month. And this is an entirely different way of thinking. Almost everybody else out there is telling you what makes them the most money. But what I'm telling you that's different is I'm showing you how to give the most value. Right now, what's scarce is real human interaction. Almost everybody I watch, they struggle to give me what I want. What I want is to just pay to talk to you. I don't want a coaching program. I don't want your school. I don't want your Kajabi or your Thinkific or your Teachable. I don't want your online course. I want you to talk to me because ChatGPT can give me instant answers. I can get all kinds of content I watch. Have you ever watched somebody's YouTube video that's advertising their course and you just go look for the exact content and somebody else put it up for free? This to me is a beautiful business system. And it's all about thinking, where do I reach the one person with my video who will be ready to pay right now to call me? How do I offer it at a price that's cheap enough where they will just drop that money immediately? And then I can offer weekly coaching. So this is what I'm doing right now. And the beauty of this is you can literally start this from zero. The YouTube algorithm is so good today. I'll show you the videos on my channel I'm doing on my Jerry Banfield YouTube coach. YouTube with no audience on a brand new channel that I started. Look, I started this channel March 21st, 2026. And YouTube's putting my videos out to thousands of viewers. I mean, I already have on this brand new channel with just 9 videos, 7,791 all organic views. And I explain why YouTube is rewarding original content, how to avoid inauthentic content. I'm offering people very specific things. But the one thing I've just realized is I need to think like this. What video can I make that will reach somebody who will immediately get their wallet out and pay? Because I've sold hundreds of people around the world, more than 20 countries on coaching calls over the years. And what I know is you only need to make one video that really helps somebody that's acutely struggling or really wants to talk to you off that one video. They watch, they'll immediately book a call, and sometimes they'll book ongoing coaching. Now, look how I'm doing that. So I'll show you the exact details for this whole setup so you can do it. Because first off, you might wonder, well, why isn't everybody just saying this? If this is that easy, why isn't everybody just telling you to do this? And that's because most people are optimizing. First, most people just don't think about what people actually need. They see what others are doing and copying it. But other people are also, a lot of the YouTube gurus are maximizing their own personal income. Instead of thinking about what you need, they're thinking, how do I make the most money off my audience? Whereas I'm thinking, how do I help my audience as fast as possible and cut out every single distraction in the middle? I've dialed down to, what do I want? I want to talk with people. I want weekly coaching. I don't want a course. I don't want a community. I don't want a fixed coaching program. This is super flexible. Like, you can make a video about YouTube one day, divorce the next day. You can make a video about cooking or something. Like, if you can make something like this, this will work beautifully. So other people are not telling you this because they can make themselves much more money. Now, this model can be a little more limited. You're only going to be able to take so many calls. But I can still easily make 10,000 plus a month with this system right here. But I end up, as you can see, if I have, 20 people paying for weekly coaching calls, that comes out to like 6,000 a month. And I have 30-minute calls. So that ends up being just 10 hours of work a week for the coaching calls. But you can see I can only do so much, but I can always raise prices. So let me show you exactly how to execute this. First, make a video that addresses one person's specific problem. Like, this video is aimed at the one viewer for this video is someone who is about ready to give up on YouTube, thinking it's so hard to make money on YouTube. Why, you look at all these other videos telling you to set up these communities, build courses, and you're like, that's too hard. I can't get anybody to join. I'm thinking that someone watching this video, the right viewer, you've already set up a community, hardly anybody joined, you're unmotivated, you're just about ready to quit YouTube like the majority of creators do, and you're like, God, if one video would just show me how to actually monetize this. I just searched through YouTube, like nobody gave a clear, simple monetization system that will work for almost anybody. Now that's not guaranteed, but this is a basic thing that addresses what people need. What people need is to talk and to be heard, because on YouTube there's lots of content, but what's really magical is when you get to talk to me. So you make a video thinking, how do I make a video that the exact right person will see, and the exact right person will immediately get their wallet out and pay to talk to me because they know I understand, because they think I can help. So starting off with that mindset is so much different than trying to make something to get views. Like making something just to get views, well, if you want quantity of views, it's different. What I'm saying is ultra specific content for a very specific type of person. And then from there, all you need is a website, ideally branded with your name on it. The easiest way to make a website today, I'll show you my website, and I made this whole website with AI. And look how beautiful this website looks. I made the whole thing with AI, $30 a month. And it's ultra secure and easy to update. And you'll see it's made with Caffeine AI, the little link on the bottom. And if you want to use the same AI platform, I actually use ChatGPT, and I dictate a voice memo to ChatGPT to help me get everything on a website. And then I give Caffeine AI the prompt. All I do then is send people straight to my website. So this is the business system. Step one, think of what video can you make that can reach an ultra specific person with a very clear need to talk to you specifically, where that they won't even know anyone else they could talk to. And then you then offer them a call or a coaching package, and you do that on your website like I am at jerrybanfield.com. You use the AI, $30, literally $29 a month. Crank out a beautiful website for you. Then you have a scheduled call and a weekly coaching button. Now I do 30-minute calls because you want to hit under the $100 price point. Under a $100 price point, many people like me, if you make a call, if I'm watching, there are so many people's videos that I would drop thousands of dollars today to talk to like everybody I watch that makes videos, but most of them are trying to make more money than this. And many of them don't even like want to connect with their audience that much. They just want to make videos and have a lifestyle. And that's why so few people offer this. I'm thinking, what is scarce? What is scarce is people creating content that just make it super easy and low friction to schedule. And then ongoing accountability. So then you set up the website, and the website should be designed to do one thing, is get people to schedule calls. And ideally you want that recurring income. Like to me, I'd much rather have 10, 20 people on weekly coaching for $300 a month that I have a Zoom call with that I really get to know. I'd much rather have that than trying to deal with hundreds of people where I'm responding to all these questions and moderating a community. So this is the easiest way to full-time income, because literally if you get one right person a day to sign up for this, you're talking $9,000 a month to talk with 30 people a week for 30 minutes, which breaks down to 15 hours of work. And then you do your content and you're making $100,000 a year in 20 or 30 hours of work on YouTube a week. So that you set the entire website up based on selling calls. So I sell a call, call here, weekly coaching here. I explain how the call works. I describe the two different basic options and why you'd want to do one. I lay out all the topics here that you might want a call on. I explain why you'd want to have a call to me, who it's for, who it's not for, put the appropriate disclaimers, like I'm not offering therapy, medical care, legal advice, or financial advice. And then here's something, if you're struggling, well, why if I do like gaming videos or something, would somebody want to schedule a call? Because viewers want to support your work. I've had viewers in the past who've just booked calls like this, that they'll drop $100 and they'll just talk for 30 minutes because they want me to get to know them. And I love getting to know my viewers that way. So even if you're not sure exactly who would be the right person, I have so many people I'd watch that I would love to just have, I don't want to drop bits or, super chats or all that. I'd rather just have them have a chance to get to know me. And I love getting to know my viewers because that gives me more video ideas. So I have this where if you just want to support me, book a call and talk to me for 30 minutes so I get to know you. Then I have my YouTube channel, some YouTube videos linked to FAQ, and then a scheduling and a contact form down on the lower right. The last piece you need to put all this together is the call scheduling, so I'll show you that. So when you click schedule call on my website, it shows you the weekly call, and the weekly call is just under $300 a month, and this is just under $99. So I told them it was higher, and it's slightly lower, and psychologically that hits. So this, I'm using Acuity scheduling. So if you go to Acuity scheduling, that is ACUITY.com. If you go to acuity.com, nope, that's health insurance. AcuityScheduling.com, that will give you this call scheduling that I use. And this is really good because it makes it simple. So this, I pay the $39 a month version for this, but you could probably just pay the like $16 a month. And then you can integrate your Stripe and your PayPal, and the payments come straight into your bank account directly from the client. You have the email address, you have the one-to-one relationship. So I use Acuity scheduling to do my calling backend like this. And then you click book, it syncs up with my Google Calendar, and then I buffer it 15 minutes before and after to help make sure I don't have overlap in case a call goes over. I have a few minutes, but the more calls I get scheduled, I also can, cram them in together if I want to, if my time's more narrowed. But now I lay them out. I just started on YouTube, so my calls are not fully booked right now because I just started, and I've been grinding over monetization so hard. And I'm like, this is so easy. This is what I want. Offer it to other people. It's super easy. You click select, you click continue, you put your name in, you click payment, and you pay, and you get the call and the email. Then what you do, I integrate this with Zoom. So I buy zoom.us, and then I automatically, when you schedule a call on here, it will, after you continue to payment, so I've got the client's phone number also. They get a text message to remind them so they don't forget. Believe it or not, people pay for calls and then don't even show up sometimes. But then their email, once they confirm and right on the page, will give them a link to Zoom. They just click that link, they go in Zoom, and then you can screen share, you can talk face to face. It's amazing. So this is what I'm using right now. And the beauty of this system is it is extremely direct and it's optimized for small numbers. And right now, YouTube's algorithm is doing so good at putting real, authentic human videos that give people intermediate or advanced solutions to problems. It's doing really good putting those videos directly to viewers that might watch them. So the more ultra specific you can make for your videos, like what a lot of videos do, and people use these strategies to sell courses and things like that, they make their stuff generic. For example, what people are doing like in the manosphere, they'll do all these videos talking about like why she didn't text you back or how to attract women. Those are very generic, but you can get ultra specific, and that kind of person will schedule a call. And I haven't been doing enough of this myself. I just realized like this is the strategy. This is what you need to do. Instead of making more generic videos, you make ultra specific videos and think, okay, well, instead of making a dating video that's going to talk about general tips for guys, I make a video specifically for divorced dads in their 40s that want more children and work from home. Like, do you see how ultra specific that is? Then Google has so much data. They know from me talking and them eavesdropping on my phone that I'm a divorced dad who's looking to have more kids and, marry a second wife that works from home. So when Google pulls all that data and you make a video that specific, bam. Then the divorced dad that has that exact criteria says, I've got to talk to this guy because he knows my situation. And then boom, $100 call right there. And then, that first $100 call went good. Great. Now I'm going to do weekly coaching. Get 30 to 50 people doing weekly coaching. You work 15, 20, 25 hours a week. You make 6 figures. That's what I'm talking about. So if you want to experience the power of this yourself, the best way to do it is go to my website, schedule a call, talk to me, share your situation. I can give you exact tips for your specific kinds of content you're creating. And then you can also see like, hey, if this worked for him and I paid $100 to go schedule a call and it was good for me, then I'll be certain that this can work for me too. That's why YouTube monetization is hard, because you see all these people doing things, but you don't actually want to do them or go through them yourself. You go through this yourself, then it'll elevate your belief to like, hey, I found this dude on this one video. He understood my situation so clearly. I immediately paid him $100 And then I realize I can do the same thing that he's doing for the stuff that I know about. So if you found this helpful, go to jerrybanfield.com, schedule that call with me. Let's talk. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on my website soon.